Handheld power drills are fine for creating pilot holes and performing rough carpentry, but they're not ideal for boring ultra-precise holes in your workpieces. For this type of work, you're going to need a drill press. These motorized tools feature a vertical drill bit mounted to a large metal frame, providing the stability and clamping support necessary for creating extremely straight holes in wood, metal, or plastic. A large rotating handle makes it easy to lower the bit into place, and thanks to an integrated depth stop, you can be sure the holes will be the exact same depth every time. There are many products available to choose the best drill presses for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best drill presses for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best Benchtop Press. ShopFox Benchtop Oscillating Drill Press. In addition to being a high-quality drill press, this ShopFox model is just as useful as a bench-mounted sander. An oscillating spindle ensures compatibility with sanding drums between 1 and 2 inches in diameter, making it convenient for a wide range of sanding tasks. A removable safety key also eliminates the chance for unintentional starts, which is always a nice perk when using heavy machinery like this. The 7x7-inch table may be a bit smaller than most, but its 90-degree tilt capability is a useful feature for both drilling and sanding. Number 2. Best Dremel Drill Press. Dremel Workstation Drill Press. You'll need to supply your own Dremel tool, but if you already have one on hand and are interested in improving the accuracy and depth consistency of your holes, this could be the perfect fit. The tool holder itself, but not the table, rotates up to 90 degrees too, so you can drill and sand at nearly any angle you need to. We're also big fans of the cord wrangling clips on the tool holder, ensuring that your power cord won't interfere with your work. This press is compatible with a wide range of Dremel tools, so chances are good that yours won't have a problem fitting. Number 3. Best Floor Press. Jet 17-inch Drill Press. If you've decided on a floor press over a benchtop option, this Jet model and its high-end design could be just what you're looking for. Its built-in LED light and laser combine to ensure you're getting a clear, accurate view of your workpiece, and both can be adjusted to your preferred angle. The extra-large work table provides the support and stability needed for large items, and at 187 pounds, the entire unit should be extremely stable. Its large paddle-style power button makes it easy to turn off quickly too, which is always a handy safety feature. Number 4. Best Magnetic Press. DeWALT 2-Speed Magnetic Drill Press. Unlike benchtop or standing models, this DeWALT press uses a strong electromagnet to mount itself to the metal piece being worked on, making it ideal for use in heavy-duty metalworking projects. It's not as multifunctional as other drill presses that can be used on both wood and metal, but its ability to accept both twist bits and annular cutters make it much more valuable if your priority is quick and clean metal drilling up to just over 4 inches. This press also includes a magnetic coolant tank that can be attached to the unit itself. Number 5. Best for Craft Projects. Joyabest 3-Speed Mini Drill Press Machine. It's not big or heavy-duty enough for large-scale projects, but if you're more interested in tackling craft or circuit board work, this Joyabest model could be a perfect fit. At less than $100, it's also considerably cheaper than the other options on our list, making it a great choice for a beginner who might not be ready to make a big investment. Although it's not as powerful as other models, this allows it to have a compact size and shape that's perfect for those without much extra space. This machine probably won't be durable enough for heavy daily use, though, so keep that in mind. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.